Within Zoom Virtual Agent, you can create two types of bot flows, main flows and subflows. In this video, we'll discuss what makes them different and how traffic moves between them. Main flows determine your bot's greeting and behavior for new bot flow engagements. Subflows can guide users through identifying and resolving common issues and goals. Make these solutions more efficient and easily accessible by automating them with a subflow. Main flows are triggered when the engagement window is opened. Subflows can be triggered when the bot matches the user's intent to an intent assigned to the subflow. Additionally, users may encounter subflows when they've been routed to them through another bot flow. You can create many subflows within a single chatbot, but you must have and may only use one main flow. Let's preview a test engagement using Chatbot, which is found in the lower right corner of most Zoom Virtual Agent screens. Right away, the main flow is triggered and greets the user. I'll type a message that should trigger the order tracking subflow. The response here is saying that the bot is more than 99% confident that the customer's goal matches the intent order not received. You'll only see this kind of feedback in Chatbot. Users will not see it. Now I can continue to interact with the bot flow to test its behavior. I've reached an endpoint of this subflow and I'm asked, is there anything else I can help you with? This message was not built into the subflow. It came from the main flow. Let's look at the main flow to understand how the traffic flows into and out of bot flows. Zoom's default main flow greets users with text in a Send Media widget, followed by Match Intent. At this point in the flow, a user can ask a question, and depending on your virtual agent configuration and the bot's confidence, they may trigger a subflow or a knowledge base answer. If a subflow is triggered, the user will exit the main flow and engage with a subflow, just as we did within Chatbot. When an endpoint of that flow is reached where there are no further steps, they are automatically routed back to the main flow and the defined next step of the Match Intent widget. In this case, it asks, is there anything else I can help you with? From this point, the main flow resumes its role as traffic director. If you're using Zoom's default main flow, the logic is already built in and you do not need to ask users if they require more help within your subflows. Reaching an endpoint will automatically bring them back to this main flow next step.